Wagwan aliens. Now, the worst part about repairing these insulation holes was being on my knees for an extended period of time. Other than that, they wasn't too bad. You know what I mean? I filled them with some quickset Durabond, 20 minutes. Still was like 70 of these babies around, all low. I taped them with fiber fuse, and it was ready to start coating. Now, usually I use the 14-inch Big Bertha. You already know her. I gave her a break, grabbed a 12-inch radius, and went to town with her. And she did a good job.